If we asked your relocating employees if their experience makes them feel like they belong, what would their answer be? As DEI mobility continues to evolve, organisations are recognising the importance of pivotal roles supporting the process and the part they must play to ensure your relocating employees do feel like they belong. Two commonly overlooked pivotal roles are the selection manager, the person deciding who relocates, and the receiving manager, the person who onboards and supports the employee during the assignment. When companies are focused on the employee experience, it's critical for both of these roles to have an inclusive mindset. One that shows empathy, allyship, cultural intelligence, and awareness of bias, opening doors rather than creating barriers to greater opportunities and success for your diverse talent. Having identified this very real need to educate employees in pivotal roles supporting inclusive mobility, we have developed an innovative 2-hour program offering both individual coaching and group workshops that allow participating managers to recognize unconscious bias as it applies to their mobility role, enable them to adjust their approach, ensuring inclusion, and provide them with ways to become more informed of their organization's global mobility program.
The ultimate goal of our individual coaching and group workshops aimed at your selection and receiving managers is to develop inclusive decision makers, more supportive onboarding for assignees, and for every one of your relocating employees to say, "They knew I was coming. I feel like I belong." We are developing new ways to make your mobility program more inclusive and support your organization's DEI priorities.